The Versatile is getting a LED lighting upgrade. I've got 2 of the Nilight pods for the rear, and then I've got that 30-inch curved light bar that I was going to use on my custom bumper, but ended up using something else. This will go on the front or the loader side. So we're going to try to get that done. I'm in a rush because I don't have a whole lot of daylight. It's got them stupid laser lights back here that are junk. And then over here it's got some more junk lights. So I'm going to start in the back. We're going to take the old stuff off. So there's the garbage that was on there. I'm going to replace them with these. Now those are some lights. When it's daylight and it's bright, that's going to be nice. I gotta get them adjusted as soon as it gets night. But that is going to be nice, I think. Onto the front. Alrighty, get that mismatched junk off the tractor. Let's get the light bar installed. This should be a big improvement. Alrighty, we got her all mounted up. Just drilled some holes through the roof and got her up here, and she fits real good. I grounded it right here to the roof. There are no ground wires coming out of these lights because the lights on these are always grounded on the body of the lights for some reason. I guess this is that 80 something tractor, so that's the way they did it. But I took both power sources and I run it to the light just to make sure it would have enough power to run this light bar. I think it's 180 watt. So we are waiting for darkness to adjust these, I guess, now. Okay, so there it is from down here. Yeah, that should put out a good bit more light than we had before. I don't have any loom or nothing, so the wires are all just hanging there. But I'll get some loom, we'll tie them up, make sure they don't get caught on that wiper. I was kind of rushing here to get them on before dark. I wasn't going to work on this tractor. I was supposed to do a different tractor, but Dad's got it somewhere else, so I did this one quickly, and I think we're going to be able to see a whole lot better. This light bar is probably overkill for this tractor, but when have you ever heard anybody working at night saying that they had too much light? That's not even a thing, having too much light at night. So hopefully I'll get some night shots here to add with this, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.